Hi guys, this is Raju Rahman from Techtonic, and finally my Galaxy Z Fold 2, it's here. So I ordered this on the 1st of September, well, pre-ordered it straight after Samsung announced it, and it was supposed to be delivered on the 15th. But what happened was I got a text message on the 15th saying it was delayed until the 16th, and then on the night I got another text saying it's delayed until the 23rd of September. So obviously I complained to Samsung, and they offered me a free pair of headphones, so the Buds Live, and they've also given me £70 cash back. But I was expecting it on the 23rd of September, and now it's arrived here on Saturday the 19th of September. So it's here. I'm happy. I'm a little shocked that it's here a bit earlier than expected, but I guess it's still good, right? I can do this unboxing a little earlier than the 23rd of September, by which time interest would have faded. So this is the Mystic Black version. You can also get the Mystic Bronze and a Tom or Thom Brown edition if you got cash spilling out your pockets. But anyway, let's open this up. Come on. Trust me, I've been fighting myself all morning not to tear this apart. I was thinking, nope, I gotta do it in front of the camera. There it is. Let's open this up. Ooh, look at that. It's like a wing, like a butterfly. What's that? So, yeah, it's just some leaflet introducing you to the folding experience. Quick start guide, some documents. Come on, must be a SIM ejector tool in here. Yep, there you go, SIM ejector tool. And the Z Fold 2 itself. So you can see here lots of warnings. Don't press too hard on the screen. What else? So when you fold the screen, make sure there's no keys or cards in between. It's not dust or waterproof, so don't take it to the beach with you. I'm sure it will be fine if you take it in the rain, as long as you don't get it too wet. But again, if you're willing to risk it, that's up to you. It also comes with a screen protector, so you're not supposed to take that off. I think you're supposed to get a Samsung to do it if you want to take it off, that is. And don't keep it next to things like cards and things like that, because this device has magnets in it, so it could mess those cards up. Anyway, let's take this off. Whew, that is great. That feeling when you get a new phone out of a box, it's just lovely. Wow. So let me fold it. Wow, that hinge feels amazing. Wow, that is crazy. So let me turn this on and we'll go through the rest of the specs. Hope there's some charge in it. Yeah, there should be. Right, so this is it's definitely a heavy phone, right? It's 282 grams. Unfolded, you've got a 7.6-inch screen. That inside screen has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and I believe it has 1768 by 2208 pixels. The cover display is 6.23 inches. It's also Super AMOLED like the inside one. You've got a resolution of 816 by 2260 pixels, but the cover screen only has a 60 Hz refresh rate, right? So this is running on Android 10 with Samsung One UI 2.5. I'm sure it will get an update to One UI 3.0 when that comes out. So when you order something like, let's say, the Galaxy Note 20, in the UK you get the Exynos chipset. So that's been proven to be a little less powerful than the 865 Plus. So fortunately, when you get the Galaxy Z Fold 2, you're getting the Snapdragon 865 chipset in this, so that's pretty cool. Now in the UK, you're getting 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM, but apparently in China you can get the 512 gigabyte variant. Now the storage is UFS 3.1, so that means installing things will be much faster, and just reading things off the drive will be much faster too. So there's no headphone jack. On this, you'll need to use your Bluetooth headphones. You do have stereo speakers here on the left and the right of the device, and they're tuned by AKG. They're tuned by AKG. You have side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Inside the device, you've got a 4,500 mAh battery. I mean, I'm going through all these specs, right? But you know what? Let's put this phone aside and let's find out what else is inside, right? So Samsung's Premier service, if you sign up to that, I think you get like a subsidized screen repair the first time you break your phone. So definitely sign up to that. You got the 3-pin UK power plug. So this supports fast charging of 25 watts. Of course, the Fold does also support fast wireless charging at 11 watts and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watts. Nothing in there. USB-C to USB-C cable. And some AKG headphones with a USB-C connector. Right, so that's pretty cool. Now let's move all this aside. Let me do that really quick. Get out of here. Okay, let's go. Yep, blah blah blah. I'm going to quickly go through this. I'm going to skip all this stuff for now, just so I can go through the rest of the phone with you. Don't copy, come on, just skip. Skip. And there you go. So this device does have 3 cameras on the back. All 3 are 12 megapixels, but they have different aperture. So you've got a wide f1.8, you've got a telephoto 2.4, and you've got an ultra wide f2.2. You've also got selfie cameras in the inside. So again, this one here and the one in the front, they're both 10 megapixels at f2.2. So yeah, this phone definitely feels great in the hand, as you'd expect. You've paid.
Someone's at front door.
Ah, great. Nope, I'm not going to grab that. Hopefully someone else opens the door. So yes, what else? I mean, this definitely feels great. I can definitely already tell it's a fingerprint magnet, but I have ordered a D-brand skin for it, a matte D-brand skin, so that should help with the grip. So in terms of size, you can see here next to the original Fold, it's definitely a bit wider, definitely a bit taller. And if we compare the inside screen, man, look at the condition of my Z Fold 2. The inside screen just doesn't look as great, does it? But let's put the brightness up. So that's just comparing the size of both. And there's definitely magnets in there because look, they both sort of pull together. That's funny. Woo. Wow. Man, I'm loving this hinge. That inside screen, I mean, they finally decided to make it, not the inside screen, sorry, and that cover screen, they finally decided to make it larger. So its aspect ratio, I guess, is more similar to what you'd find on something like the Sony Xperia phones. If I can turn this on, I can show you guys. So this is the Sony Xperia 1, and you'll see that it's a taller screen. I mean, yeah, this phone it definitely feels like an improvement over the original. So yeah, you can see here, you've got this taller screen. Only time will tell how much I use this screen, but it's all about that inside screen, man. I mean, look at that. That is crazy. We go into display. You can see you've got the choice of 120 hertz right there, right? So adaptive, that means depending on what you're viewing or what you're doing on your phone, it will change the refresh rate, and it can drop really low to save you battery. Of course, you can go on to standard here and choose 60 hertz. I'll leave it on adaptive for now. I still need to set this phone up, but man, this is beautiful. You can probably hear my kids in the background. It is a Saturday, so excuse me for that. But yeah, I've got the Galaxy Z Fold 2 in my hands now. Of course, I've got the original Fold as well, so I'll be doing a speed test tonight. And if you want to watch that, give us a subscribe, and I'll chat to you guys later.